Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you if you were using before Lens and now it's not scanning directly. As you can see here on the screen shows two tabs, go to OneDrive app or continue to my scans. So all you need to do is just click on install OneDrive app. It will take you to your app store or Play Store. Just simply download it and install it. Click open. Here you will see all your accounts. So choose the preferred and tap on continue. So the process of account link is finished. So we will go again on Lens. And now if I want to scan this blank page, similar to the Lens setup, we have to adjust, review and edit and finish. So here you will see the option of save. If you click on save, your file will be saved, my files. If we select date created, we will see the first file which we have just scanned with our OneDrive app. So now the Lens app is linked with Microsoft OneDrive. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.